So this was yesterday's pop quiz, which was related to topic measurement. Um, so the first question: a glass tank contains some water, and the length QR. So we have measured the length QR, and we have measured the length RS. We want to work out the volume. So means we need the height. The rectangular glass container is there, so length, width, and height. So which distance we need to get the volume, because length is like length, width, and height, we get the volume. So if we measure the height, like the height is S to T. So if you measure this height S to T or T to S, we'll get the volume. Why SB is wrong? Because SB is the total height. We want the volume of the liquid inside, like volume of the water. That's if the same question was there, which height we should use to get the volume of the container, then it should be S to V. And why T to U is wrong? Because from T to U, again, it's the same as RS, so it won't make difference. T to V, that's like the how much volume. If the question was what is the volume of air in this container, then we should multiply this V into T with QR into RS into VT. But the question was volume of a liquid, so it's length into width into height. A stopwatch is used to time a race. The diagram shows a watch at the start and at the end. So in the beginning, it's between 0 and 1, so it means 0.5 seconds. And we have, this is 46.5 seconds. It is between 46 and 47. So what is the time? How long did the race take? So it started with 0.5 and ending at 46.5. So the duration is 46 seconds. The floor is covered with a square tiles. The diagram shows a ruler and how long is one tile. So it's starting at 3 and ending at 9. So starting from 3 and ending at 9. So what is the length? That will be equals to 6 centimeter. So option B will be the right answer. In question 4, the diagram shows the time on a stopwatch at the beginning and at the end. So in the beginning of experiment, it was 10 seconds and end of the experiment, 35 seconds. So what's the duration? So 35 minus 10 would be will be the right answer for this. Because we need the interval, so it is final minus initial. A measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of a liquid. What is the volume of the liquid? So we always use the bottom of the meniscus and we should always look perpendicular. So we should look perpendicular and look for bottom of the meniscus here. This one is 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, and then 50. So the level is at 46, so B will be the right answer. In question 6, a ruler is used to measure the length. What is the length of the nail? So it is 5, 5.1, 5.2. So here is 5.2 and it is ending at 8.1. So starting from 5.2 and it is ending at 8.1. So 8.1 minus 5.2, that's equal to 2.9. So B will be the right answer. Some water is poured into 4 tubes of a different cross-sectional areas. Which tube contain the largest volume of a water? So area multiplied by height. So when area is multiplied by height, we get the volume. So it is 10 multiplied by 6. This will be 60. This will be 20 times 4. That is 80. This will be 30 times 3. That is 90. And this one is 40 times 2. That is 80. So which is having the largest volume? So C is the right answer. Question 8. Two digital stopwatches X and Y, which record in minutes and as well as in seconds. The readings of the two stopwatches at the start and the end of the race are shown. Which statement about the time of the race is correct? So the stopwatch X, so that is like recording 40 seconds. And this is how much time it is recording, because starting at 1 minute and 30 seconds and ending at 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So that is a 50-second interval it is recording. So both stopwatches record the same time interval. That's wrong. One is recording 40 seconds, another one is 50. Stopwatch X recorded 10 seconds longer. No, stopwatch Y recorded 10 seconds longer. So stopwatch Y record 10 seconds longer than X. So C will be the right answer. Because like stopwatch X recorded 40 seconds, stopwatch Y recorded 50 seconds. So how much, like it recorded 10 seconds longer than stopwatch X. In question 9, how long does the second athlete take to run the 100-meter? So this one is 11.4, because like 5 lines are there between 10 and 11. So 12.4, I guess. Yeah, 12.4, not 11. Because like 10, 11, 12, and then 12.2, 12.4. So this will be 12.4. And this will be 21, 2, 3. So 23.8. So what is the interval? We just have to take a difference. 23.8 is the end, and the start was at 12.4. So when we take a difference, it will be 11.4. So B will be the right answer. Question 10, the diagram shows an experiment to find the volume of a stone. So initial volume without any stone, it was 4, and with stone, it is 7. So how much the volume has increased? It has increased by 3. So A will be the right answer for this. And 4 athletes run twice around the track. The table shows their times at each lap. Which athlete runs the second lap fastest? So what you have to do, you have to take a difference between the second lap and the first lap. Like for athlete A, it was 47.04 minus 22.99. So for athlete A, took 24.05 seconds. The second one, 47 minus 23.04, that is 23.96, the time interval. The third one, 47.18 minus 23.16, the time interval is 24.02. And the last one, 47.24 minus 23.39, that will give us 23.85. So which athlete runs the fastest second lap? As we take a difference between the first and the second lap, so that is D, which is taking the shortest time. D is the right answer. Is it clear? So this was a pop quiz which was related to measurement, the pop quiz 3 related to the measurement.